Diesel fuel purity is critical to the efficiency of a backup power system. Over time, unused or stagnant fuel in your generator's tank can collect water, sediments, bacteria, sludge, microorganisms, and other contaminants. If left untreated, this could cause a failure with your backup power supply. Just some of the failures caused by dirty fuel include tank leaks, clogs in your filter or injector, and loss of combustibility. HM Cragg now offers diesel fuel cleaning services to help ensure your generator's reliability and efficiency is not affected by dirty fuel. Our mobile tank cleaning system allows our team to go to your backup power site and recondition, stabilize, and decontaminate the fuel. This reverses the degradation process and restores and stabilizes the overall quality. The end result is decontaminated and clear fuel, a cleaner tank, and efficient combustion. Ensuring that your generator fuel is clean will reduce maintenance and downtime, increase reliability and efficiency, and ultimately give you peace of mind that your backup power will work when you need it. HM Cragg has your on-site fuel cleaning solution. Please contact us today to learn more about fuel cleaning or to schedule your service.